Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today topic is much more important related to cosmological system, relativity and cosmology outline. Today I talk about cosmic microwave background. In the previous video, I explained Big Bang theory and redshift and Hubble's law and Newton cosmology. And the universe expanded and cooled. Ions and electrons freeze into neutral atom and cosmic soup lost his ability to catch photons. These free photons are called cosmic microwave background. The thermal photons separated from cosmic soup when universe expanded and cooled, and ions and electrons freezed into neutral atom are called cosmic microwave background. The cosmic microwave background radiation was predicted by a Guillermo Alpher and Herman in 1948. They call the cosmic microwave background uh, radiation a direct consequences of the Big Bang with a temperature of about 2.1 Kelvin. In 1964, Robert Dicke detected the cosmic microwave background. The cosmic microwave background radiation was predicted by Guillermo. They are called the cosmic microwave background radiation, a direct consequence of the Big Bang theory. In 1964, Robert Dicke detected the cosmic microwave background due to a microwave absorption by water molecules and atoms, high altitude and low humid atmosphere is favorable. Thus, another observation to detect cosmic observation was made in 1990, second by Cosmic Background Explorer (COBE) satellite observatory. The result obtained were very close that a perfect black body spectrum with a temperature Tr naught and where alpha is a background constant given by from above temperature the energy density becomes E at 7 point something this and in the next all the derivation of simple rule. So in the upcoming video I talk about historical background of the universe, historical background of the universe. What is the historical background of the universe? Write a note on star, neutron stars, pulsars, black holes, and quasars. The universe came into being approximately 13.8 billion years ago by a great event, Big Bang. Big Bang. After Big Bang, universe passed through different stages, including Black IPCO, Grand Unification IPCO. I hope you learned something special, so subscribe this channel.